Yes, my friends, welcome again in this NumPy tutorials. Mainly this is for DS data science. Okay, so we are learning here section few NumPy. Okay, so this is very important for NumPy data science. This syllabus. In the last video, I covered about the arrange function. Okay, and today we'll see about linspace. Okay, we'll see this is very good concept, see, and very important concept there. Lin, first we have to import numpy as np. Okay, print help of np dot linspace. See, help on function linspace in module numpy. Linspace start, stop, and num 50 means by default 50 item they are giving. Okay, and between two range. Okay, see, n true, red step false, d type none, access 0. We'll talk later about this all parameters one by one. Okay, and see, return evenly space number of over satisfied interval. Okay, return sum num see, evenly space sample calculated over the interval. Okay, will something like interval value is coming here, endpoint interval. See, this is, we can start, send parameter is start, it is like a stop, it is like something, the starting values, the sequence. Okay, in the sequence you can find. Okay, d type, you can read all those things. Okay, just help numpy detail will come here. Already I explained you how to install Jupyter. Let's check the one examples here. See, already we have the example, so just I'm planning to just copy paste from there. See, np dot linspace, already I told you by default they are giving the 50s. Okay, see, first let's check the syntax. What is the syntax for this? So you can remember this line. Okay, as syntax. Okay, you can remember this line. Okay, my friends. Yeah, definitely it will going to very helpful for these tutorials. And what I knew already, I will explain you here briefly. See, a start, a stop, and a step. Okay, we'll see. A is equal to np dot linspace of a start, put 1. Okay, let me check what is coming here, because using a start and a stop both are mandatory. Okay, so it will write the errors you will get, I hope. Yeah, linspace missing one required positional argument as a stop. Okay, a start we are giving by default is called a start and a stop. See, okay, between 1 to 3 they are giving by default 50 items. Okay, in the on arrays. Okay, yeah, if you want a reshape, then again you can use reshape. Kind of what, 1D array to 2D array reshape. Okay, 2, 3. I want 2 row 3 column. See, oh, sorry, see, number of item is coming 50, so we have to divide that category. So 5 row, 10. I will explain the logic here why this error is coming in detail. Okay, see, 5 rows, if you count 5 rows in 10 column, let me do 10 column and 5 rows in the reverse. See, something is coming like this. See, 10 row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in 5 column. See, always it will give us in the value in the shape of data type is always decimal. Okay, let me check. D type is equal to int. Is possible? See, they are giving the only int value. Okay, is it okay or not? Yes. Now, so we can stay here, put here a start, okay, a stop. We can use like this. Check again. Also, this is taking the int value. By default 50 is coming. Okay, so we can specify, don't use here, we can specify here num is equal to, we want 3 will come. Okay, equal calculated value will coming here. If you want 10, see, equally they are dividing and given us. Okay, see difference here. Okay, this is a linspace concept. Okay, if in later, if you understood what is the requirement of this one, if you learn matplotlib and pandas, then you will definitely get the real examples, real use of this one. But as of now, just remember what is this function. Okay, then I am talking about next function. See, any example is there? Yeah, already I covered these things. Okay, D type. And what is the different arrange in the element? See here, what is this line is saying to us? See here, see here. Okay, let me use it, just copy paste here. Okay, arrange element will consider in the given range based on a step value. Okay, but the specified number of element will consider based on the given range. See, given range. Okay, is that okay, guys? So next video we'll see in the next sessions. Yeah, thank you, thanks for watching.